Nowadays, people lose hair at a very young age. Many people, 20, 22, have lost almost all their hair, grade 6, grade 7 baldness. And they want everything covered in one shot. Human beings have lost patience. They want everything done in one go to do whatever best is possible for the rest of their lives. If I do a hair transplant for these patients, there are two techniques as you all know, but both of them have limitations. If I do an FUT or strip technique, even the widest of strip I take, which might be 1.5, 2 or 2.5 centimeter broad, staying in the safe zone, the best zone, which is the permanent zone, I can get 2500, 3000, 3500, at the most 4000 follicles in one shot. If I do only FUE, and again limit myself to the safe zone, the best zone, remember in FUE, I take one graft, leave 2 follicle units, take 1, leave 2 follicle units. I will not get more than 2500, 3000 follicle units in one shot. So what to do for these guys? Of course, I can do some FUE for the beard, but how many should I get? 1000, 1500 single hair grafts from the beard to add on to this in the center of the back. The best way of covering this area is to combine an FUT and an FUE in the same patient over a span of 2 days. Remember, FUT also takes time, and we don't want the grafts taken out to be out of the body for too long. So do an FUT on the first day, cover as much as possible with good density in the front and the center, and do an FUE on the next day from the safe zone and from the beard as well. Add more and maybe cover the entire head with a little lesser density in the back, but getting a full coverage of the entire head. Let's see what we did for this patient who had grade 7 baldness and wanted everything covered in one go. Mr. Govindo Bald, grade 7 baldness, huge area, fully bald from the front to the back. So the whole thing looked very, very bald, and we did a sitting of 2 days where we combined a strip on the first day and FUE on the second day to cover the entire head. And here is he after about a year.
Thank you, Dr. Khanna. I had my operation at Dr. Khanna's clinic. It was a strenuous 2-day surgery, but after that, gradually I was holding my patients, and in time, after 6 months, I started getting the results. And then after 1 year, I'm extremely happy. And I sincerely thank Dr. Khanna for the excellent job. Thank you so much, Dr. Khanna.
I hope you have no recognition problems.
That's a good joke, but really people do appreciate that. And actually it's a rebirth in a sense. It's a social rebirth. So it is a miraculous sort of rebirth, of course social, but I'm feeling so good. And thank you, Dr. Khanna.
So if you have a large area of baldness, grade 6, grade 7, want everything covered with decent hair in the donor area, come to us. We will cover everything, maybe in 2 days, but give you a result which will have permanent hair on your head for the rest of your life.